Smile, fellas.
Hi, kiddos. Say hi, Daddy.
You guys ready for your first ride of the trip in Montana?
Hi,
Yeah.
What is, Mommy?
Get that seat down, Seabass, if you're going to stand and pump. Jeez. Yeah, that's excellent. You should try to pop off all that stuff. I like it. I just have no rear brake for some reason. Was that a fun section?
Yes.
Yeah. Owen, how was that?
Owen.
Good.
All right, are we ready?
I don't need a break, but just keep going. That this would be a great trail to post on YouTube.
Nice, keep popping over stuff. Yeah.
Just stop a little.
Nice, buddy. Lean the bike, remember? Don't. Yeah, that can be a little booter.
Yeah.
All right, who's going?
Still haven't been in it yet. I'm even panicking. No, it's good.
Yeah, buddy. Stay on the gas. Yeah. That's it. Pop off those rollers, boys. Nice. Nice, boys.
This way?
Awesome.
Yeah, dude, you got some good pop off of that.
I don't got it, Dad.
Good job, Seabass. You're doing good. Don't push too hard, just take a breath. We don't have to go super fast.
Need a drink.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't. You go look at the fort if you want.
I'm gonna drink.
You go on this.
There's a bed in here. And a fire. And there's a fire.
Well, I'll be back. That was Ryan. What's up?
How you doing, buddy?
Good, man. How you doing?
Good.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
That was fun.
Right on.
All right, you ready?
I've never gone that way, so.
That's good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right on. Let's do it.
Woo.
Walk for a week.
I'm gonna follow you boys down. Look good.
Okay.
Flat pedals, heels down, attack position. Elbows up, dude. You're doing good. Yeah. Let her rip. Not too much brake, sea bass. Once you start skidding, you lose control. There you go. Nice. Nice.
Oh, yeah, that one. No wrecks.
All right, you ready?
Okay. Let's go, dude. Come on, buddy. The whole world is watching, son. You're on camera. Get on your pedals. There you go. Stand up. Yes. See how much easier it is when you stand up? There you go. Yeah! Woo!
I think I want to
All right,
go
fellas.
first.
I'm filming.
That's
Look
right.
good.
It all depends on how fast you go right now.
Not too much. Hey, too much brake. Easy. Making me nervous. There you go. Feather the brake, sea bass. Heels down, buddy. Yeah. Woo! Caleb! Caleb!
Stop.
Are you gonna make him do it?
Stop right
Let,
there.
let Ryan.
You've done this way more. You're not gonna push out.
Yes, I am. There you go. This is a fast section. Enjoy it. There you go, dude. Yes. Yeah, buddy. What do you think of that downhill? You found a lake? It's fun watching their styles emerge. Yeah, I follow Sebastian. He does not miss a root or a root or a rock to pop off of.
Nope. He's really getting good at doing it.
He tries to pop off everything.
Oh, Everett.
If that don't make your heart happy, I don't know what will. When I walked over to get the film of you and him coming down it, I got off the bike and I was like looking around real careful in the grass. Ryan's like, "What are you doing?" I'm like, "Oh, no rattlesnakes." Good job, Owen. What do you think of this trail, buddy? Is it awesome? Doing good, dude. That's my boy. Good job. Flat pedals. Yes. Bent knees. Good attack position.